Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to discuss another way to help you how to use our Playground OpenAI Chat GPT. Okay, so how is that? That is how to use this Chat GPT to make your work easier as a YouTube content creator. Okay, so usually we have a problem thinking about our scripts in YouTube. Now, with the use of the platform OpenAI.com Playground, work is easier. So say for example, okay, you just have to make sure you have logged into your platform OpenAI.com. Now, as you can see, I already have my automatic. I have already the short desktop here. We have a separate content about this, so all you have to do is to check it out. Okay. Now, say for instance, you have it here. So you are already here in the system. All you have to do is to check on the system. Say you are a YouTube content creator. Okay, so here in the user part, all you have to do is to write down the task you are expecting this system wants to do. Okay, so for example, write a YouTube script about top 5 ways to earn money using ChatGPT. Okay, then after that, it will all you have to do is to click on this submit part. Then our ChatGPT would already do its task. And then there you are. You even have your intro music, the transition, then you have your script there. And then what are those top 5? Now, if instance there is a stop, all you have to do is to type here, continue. Then again, it would continue as well. Okay, so there you are. It's as simple as that. In a matter of seconds, you already have your script in your content about a certain topic in your YouTube. So, as simple as that. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in our next video.